So this is just a recap for live stream 59. As you can see, we've had a very big losing day, losing 234 points. And I suppose we should get right to it. So initially, believe I went short. I had to change it to a long position. So went into the hole pretty early on. And the thing is, early on, the VIX was pointing to sell. Now, for whatever reason, I decided to go away from what the VIX was saying. The VIX has been in the sell zone all day today. Briefly peaked below to neutral, but been in sell zone all day today. So initially went up, ran into this 200. I went short off that level. Of prices coming down, didn't wait for the close. I went short, prices pulled back. Eventually, I closed that position. I don't believe I closed it for a successful trade, but closed that position. Believe I went short again. So I took a serious trade. I went short again here. Decided to take, this was after I made a series of bad trades. Wow, see more selling here. After I made a series of bad trades, it was actually down. I went short. Decided to take profit at the lows of day. And what I did was I reversed the position without finding confirmation that prices were reversing. I did say that the VIX was pointing to only focusing on shorts. Then eventually I had to get out of that position. Then went short, took profit at as prices pulled back. I then went long, eventually got out of that for a break even. After that, I took a series of trades. Took a series of trades through here. I believe I went short. I exited. No, I was short. I took profit, wanted to get back in at 706 for another short. Accidentally went long, made a mistake placing the orders. Prices got all the way up. I reversed the position and went long. And from there, it was a pretty bad day. So I went long, got out of position. Eventually, I went long here. It went in my favor by about 30 points. VIX was still in. VIX was still in the negative zone, and prices came down, came back up. Had the opportunity to get out for a break even, and continue to trade in alignment with the VIX, but decided to hold a position, and we can see what happened. So held a position, prices came back up. There was the opportunity to get out again. Pretty close to break even. Here the market imbalances came out. Big strong selling, kept holding the position. More selling, and then we had Amazon earnings. And as we can see, Amazon's earnings sent the market down even further. So then that was the final loss. We've just closed the position there around about the 560s, and we've realized minus 234 points. So in hindsight, we did not follow the VIX, and also we can see here we're below the VWAP, the 50 period. We had a rejection of the 200. The reason I initially took the 200 short was let's get this. Was because we saw rejection of the 200. We saw even more rejection with these wicks here of the 200. So I was looking to see that continue. But as prices pulled back, traded through, I lost a little bit of confidence in the position despite VIX supporting shorts. And Took a series of longs trying to pick reversals. And that eventually didn't work in my favor. Picking reversals even with VIX being strongly suggesting to the downside. Again, we're well below the VWAP. We'll have a look at the trade performance here. So it's just not been great on my part. You can see pretty much started the day out negative. Went negative 128. Managed to draw back up to only being down only 44 points. Pulled back. Again, pulled back to 55 points. And our most recent trade taking us down to the lows of the day around 234. If we have a look here at the time of day here, not exit time, entry time. So that big loser there was entered at about 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lost 156 points there. Over to the analysis page. We were taking small winners on the summary page actually. See the average winner, average losers, several multiples of the average winner. Largest win, largest loss, as we can see. A huge difference between largest win and largest loss. You can see here negative profit factor. So there are let's see what the commissions are not important in a way, but that was pretty much the day today. So the day today, you see there's a big loss. The day today, if I would have not been at the charts, it would have actually been better for me if I was not actually at the charts. If when I came in, stuck with the original trade idea based on the VIX, and I went short, and because VIX continued to be in the negative, I'd have left the position, not try to outsmart the market. It would have worked in my favor. So it's definitely something to think about. It came into the market peaked around the 3%. After that, started trending upwards on the VIX, and I definitely should have not interfered as much as I did. I did say there was potential for it to be a big day. I did have a look at the daily chart and did say I was looking at that gap fill around that 570, breaking down, filling in all these gaps here. Did say that at the start of the day when we were around in the 800s, and I just got away from the trade idea. Tried to pick reversals, didn't stick with the shorts despite VIX suggesting to stay with the shorts, and that's pretty much it. And of course the coup de grace is of course taking the long, holding it, and the market selling off, resulting in this fairly big loss here. So still have to stay with the conviction of the VIX. The only good thing again about today was the open trade worked, but that's not what we're going for. We'll see what we do tomorrow. A large part of it I cannot be here for scheduling commitments, so may actually be a good thing. And yeah, with that, I think that pretty much sums up the video. So we'll say thanks for watching.